Hey guys, I bet you guys don't remember this car when it used to be white, but I've just had the car unwrapped. It is sold and I am on my way to pick up the new one. It's Friday today, but I'm going to pick up the replacement tomorrow, but I'm travelling down tonight because it's quite the trek. It's almost 300 miles, but you already know what the car is just from the title of this video. But yeah, I know I was kind of set on an F-Type, and I was looking at an M4, and then yeah, I kind of kept quiet about the C43 because, to be fair, I surprised myself with it. Right, I'm going to jump in, guys. I probably won't do much on this particular journey, but yeah, see you on the other side. Good morning, ladies and gents. Cold start. I've got a bit of a cold start actually. Today is the day. I'm waiting for this for quite some time now, and it's finally here. It feels quite strange. I'll be saying goodbye to this car after 3 years, and it's been quite high maintenance over the last 3 years, but loved every single moment of it. I'm super excited to pick up the C43. I've not actually seen the car. Obviously it's so far away. I mean, I've seen the same model at other dealerships, but the particular one that I bought, haven't seen it yet. It's going to be it's not going to be in bad condition or anything like that. It's an official Mercedes dealership, and you know what, I think it'll be a good comparison, seeing what the CLA 45 is like to the C43 in the real world. Even though that C43 is more powerful by like 10 horsepower or something like that, it's not as quick as the CLA 45 due to the weight, and I don't think that transmission is very good in the C43. It's not a double clutch like you have in this, but they're two very different cars, to be fair, so I'll be really interested to see how they compare. I think you guys will be interested in that as well. In terms of everything else, I was so set on the F-Type, and then I kind of thought, inside it's prehistoric, and it's a car that I've got to keep and live with for 3 years. And yeah, it looks absolutely stunning on the outside, but you spend most of your time on the inside. C43 that I bought it's probably kitted out. Anyway guys, I'm going to see you at the dealership, and the next time you see me, she'll be in a different cockpit. In the middle. Go. Right, so there we have it guys, 600 miles later, and it's here in the driveway. I didn't do any recording on the way back in this car. Just trying to get used to everything, because even though I've had a CLA 45 just before, inside the text is completely different, for me anyway. Just so many different ways to do the same thing in this particular car. In that sense, my CLA 45 is actually quite simple. So yeah, I was just kind of getting used to the car itself. It is a lot bigger than my CLA. I keep saying my CLA, but it's not mine anymore. It's gone. It's going to take some time getting used to that. I've surprised myself with this, to be fair, because I don't know. I hadn't seen the car before I bought it, but seeing it in the flesh, I'm actually more than happy with it. I've been quiet on YouTube lately over the last few months, more than that actually. But now that I've got a brand new car, the content is going to be flooding back in. I'm sure some of you guys, you know, for the people that follow me for my CLA 45, this is like, it's quite a logical step up. You know, it kind of bridges that gap between, you know, the 45 models from, you know, the A-Class and the CLA to the C43. You know, the C63 for me was the kind of, I think it was too far, but that's a whole other video. But yeah, this was just a collection video just to show you guys what I bought. Anyway, short and sweet video. I say short and sweet, I have no idea how long this video is going to be after I kind of splice all the different bits together. But yeah, you'll see me and hear from me again very soon. Take care guys.